Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Zubair and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a user on Windows Server 2022 and then join a Windows 11 client machine to the domain. All through the graphical user interface, so you don't need to worry about complex commands. It's simple and straightforward. Let's get started. First, let's head over to our Windows Server machine, which is named as server22.local. Now sign in on your domain controller. I am going to open Server Manager. Then go to Tools, select Active Directory Users and Computers. Here we are going to create a new user. Just click on domain name, click on Users, click on here and choose the first name and the last name of the user. In my case, I am using IT Lab as first name and last name will be user. And now choose user logo name. I choose i.user. Now simply click on next. Choose a strong password. In my case, I am using test at 321. Again confirm your password test at 321 and uncheck the box that says user must change password at next logon. No, check the two boxes that says user cannot change password and password never expires. Click on next. Click on finish. Now our user is created. Now let's go to our Windows 11 client machine and join it to the domain. We will do this via system property setting. First open setting from start menu. Click on system. Under system, scroll down and click on above. Now in the about section, you will see a link for advanced system setting on the right side. Here, go ahead and click on advanced system setting. This will open system's property window. Now click on the computer name tab. Next, click on change. Here, select the domain option and in the domain field, type server22.local. Make sure your client and server are on the same network and check that DNS settings point to your server's IP address. Once you have typed the domain name, click on OK. A prompt will appear asking for credentials. Enter server22 backslash administrator and the password you set for your domain controller earlier. Click OK and wait for the confirmation message. You will get a message saying welcome to the server 22.local domain. Click OK. The client has successfully joined the name. Now click on OK. You will be prompted to restart your system. Go ahead and restart. After the restart, we will log in using our domain user account. On the login screen, click on Other Users. In the username field, enter the logon username. I am using i.user. Hit enter and you are logged in. The user is now successfully logged into the Windows 11 client and everything is working fine. That's it. We have created a user on Windows Server 2022 and successfully joined our Windows 11 client to the domain. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of new tutorials. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for the next video. I am Zubair and I will see you in the next video with more IT tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you soon.